Okay guys, so this will be my first video. Today I'll try to explain how to connect your Google Cloud EVE-NG nodes to the internet. I have a topology running here where um, I've been playing around with the nodes and I was able to connect my node via internet. um, I'll be explaining everything and I'll try to keep the video precise. So what I'm going to show is to give you proof to start with that it's actually work, and later on I'm gonna show you all these steps on the right. I'm gonna paste these steps in the video description as well. So let me, without wasting any time, quickly jump on the node. So first we have VMnet here. So just bear in mind we have cloud 1 to cloud 9 here, so I'm connected to cloud 1 here. So these are the clouds where we can actually connect our virtual network to the management cloud, which is basically the internet. So to explain it well, I have a picture here which shows, so just to give an idea, on if we use VMware on our local machine, we have VNet 8, which basically do the netting for us. But if we are doing our EVE-NG lab on the Google Cloud, we have to connect our VNet 1 to VNet 9 to PNet 0. So basically these PNet 1 to 9 are our network adapters to play with, but we need to do some sort of netting between PNet 1, 2, 3, or whatever you want to choose to PNet 0 so that it can reach to internet. So what I have done, I have configured one interface on PNet 0, sorry, PNet 1, and I'll start with the router. Okay, let me show. So what IP I have range I've used, show IP interface brief. So you can see on Ethernet 0/1 I have 192.168.36.36, and this is a /24. Ping test, can I reach 192.168.36.1? The 36.1 is the IP on the other side, that is on the PNet 1, which I'm connected to on interface 0/1. So I can reach there. So let me do another one, ping 8.8.8.8. Well, I can reach there. Okay, so as long as I select any IP on this range /24, it will work. So what did I do to make it work? Let's jump to our EVE-NG. So we have I've selected some commands here. So first we need to check what IP we have here. Usually you won't have any IP here, you have to manually give the IP. So I pasted that command. It opens the sorry, so it opens the interfaces on this location. So let me go back. So cloud devices, these are, like I said, PNet 1 to PNet 9 are the one where we can play. So I've already tested on PNet 1, PNet 2. I'm gonna do the new one from the scratch on PNet 3. So what you have to do, you have to like manually give the IP address and the net mask here. That would be first step. You have to save it and then exit. For that you have to press Ctrl O and then Ctrl X. So after that, what you have to do is you have to restart your network card on EVE-NG. Then you have to enable the IP forwarding using this command. Let me copy and paste it there. I've already done it, so you won't see it. So it was hashed earlier, so it was not active. So now I have made it active. Control X. Next, what I need to do is I need to create an IP table. This is like an application which enables the NAT, and you have to give the arguments. This will be PNet 0, so it basically is output interface is PNet 0 where we have the internet connectivity, and then the source you'll give the IP range which you want to give, and in this case I want to play with the net 3 IP range this and subnet /24 and masquerade. Then you have to give this command, and next you have to save the IP table rules on this. If you don't have this file here, you have to create it using these two commands. Make sure you are on sudo privileges, so you can start with sudo space -i, and then you have to give the password. Sometimes it won't ask, so you have to see how your machine behaves. Then this is the information you'll find in most of the other videos as well, but it didn't work for me. I was able to ping my machine, my node, to the IP address I have given here, but I was not able to reach to the internet. So what worked for me is these three commands, and the first one is very similar to this one apart from this one, so it did not just included the source, but I had to give these two as well. And in my case this was pnet 9 because I was playing with pnet 9 as well, so you have to change this. So in our case it will be 3 here and 3 here, so it should work. And then you have to give a static root on Cisco or whatever device you're playing with, so that your IP address, your, let's say, Google DNS 8.8.8, you can reach there. So let's straight away jump onto the configuration. Okay, so nano etc network interfaces. I want to go to interface pnet 3, enter. Okay, address I want to give 192.168.0.1, net mask 255.255.255.0, and make sure you align it well. 1 2 3 4 4 spaces, 1 2 3 4. Lovely. To save, control plus O, enter. You have to press enter here, then control plus X. Lovely. So now we have to restart the card. Let me see if I'm missing any command there. No, so it should be fine. Copy, come here, paste, enter. It will take a few seconds. Then we can check if the IP has been updated or not using the command ifconfig. You can scroll up, or what you can do, ifconfig space pnet 3. So yeah, you can see. Well, so I've seen in the latest build this won't come up. So what I have to do is I have to reboot my machine. This is really annoying. It should have come here, but it doesn't come. It doesn't like sometimes. So let me actually check before restarting it. So did I make any mistake? I think I made a mistake. Yeah, so you have to change this to static. Yep, it should be static. Leave this manual static, everything stays as it is. Control O, enter, control X. Let's restart again. Hope this works this time. All right. Okay, now let's check again. Oh, bingo, lovely. So we can see our interface 3 got this IP. Now what I need to do, let's go to our instructions. So I've already done this step, so I can show you that I've already enabled this. So let me go Control C. Oh, sorry. Control V, enter. Oh, no. Control X. Say no. Control X. No, this is not what I want. Nano should be working. Why it's not working? Be right back. Okay, sorry for that. So that was the right command. Just press yes. So yeah, I've showed you this file again, so you need to uncheck this. It would be like maybe this. Yeah, it will be like this. You have to remove this, save, enter, control X. Okay, Next is I need to go to what I need to do. So very important. Now we're gonna do the actual bit. So you have to select the subnet. So in my case it's 192.168.0.1. So it's 0.0. You have to give the network address and the subnet mask. So I'm gonna give this. I'm gonna copy this. Jump to this machine. Paste it. Enter. Lovely. Next one. Echo. One. Copy, paste, good. Next, IP table, save to root 4. Now in my case it was not there. I created it using these. So if you face any problem, make sure you create a directory using these commands and make sure you are with the sudo privileges. So Control V. Okay, lovely. Next. So what was the last one? Let me go back. Root 4, nice one. So we can check our IP tables that if our NAT is now working or not. After this command it should be working, and these should save our IP forwarding details on the IP tables, and this is the rule. So let's check what we have. I will have multiple entries. You won't have these much entries because I was already playing with the commands. Lovely. So I have fresh entry, this one here, which I just created. Don't worry about this in, just out is important. I showed you at the start of the video that I was able to reach internet using this. So source is this, destination is any, that is fine. Yeah, so next one, this looks good. So I'm gonna skip this one as I already have this rule. So like I said, this is something which was not working for me, so you have to play with these commands. So I'm gonna copy all of these, and so just to save the time I'm gonna paste it in one go. Control V. Okay, all three done. That's nice. Okay, what else? Oh, so Cisco side. Okay, so this side is done. Now we can jump out on our topology, and this is cloud 3, so I have to change to cloud 3. This is very important. Save. I'll go on my Cisco, enable, configure. So before that, terminal and 0 show run. So just to show you guys, so I already have this IP route. I'm going to delete this so that the new one work. So 2 steps. First, configure the interface. Configure interface gig 0/1 IP address. It will be 192.168.0. Any IP in this range. Let's say 10, and then subnet mask will be /24. Perfect. Then the IP route, route 0.0.0 prefix, and the destination 192.168.0.1. This is basically EVNG PNet 3 IP. Lovely. And right. Okay, let's check. Show IP interface. Okay, show IP route. Okay, I have a static route and my IP is correct. So let's try by pinging the PNet 3 IP 192.168.0.1. Okay, it didn't go well. Let's see what happened. What happened? Okay, ifconfig. Let's see. PNet 3. it is going to fail for some reason. I think I have to reboot the machine itself, but let me show you one command. So you can ping 192.168.0.10, and then you can use parameter -i, which is interface pnet3 via pnet3. So we can try the other way, so we can see if we have the connection. No, you don't like it. Well, not good. So what we can do, so one more thing I've noticed, that sometime when if you reboot the machine here, it will work, or if you have to reboot the EVNG, it will work as well. So let's try again. Start. Let me make it a bit bigger for you. Too big. Okay. I'm not expecting this to be a perfect video. This is my first video. I hope it is useful for you. Let me know in comments if you have any questions. This is annoying. Let's turn it off. Okay, let's see. Ooh, can't allocate MAC address for interface 0/0. If it didn't work, I have to reboot the my VM instance, and that should work. Let's see. I'm hoping it will work by just rebooting this. And I will show IP interface brief. Ping 192.168.0.1. Okay, there you go. Lovely. Ping 8.8.8.8. Lovely. So there you go. If you have any doubt, just let me know. You can reach internet. You can connect as many nodes as you like. So you can use PC as well. Show IP, no IP, IP address, no, not IP, IP space 192.168.0.11/24, and default gateway will be the VMnet 3 IP, which is 192.168.0.1. It might need a reboot, might not. Let's see. Ping 8.8.8.8. Let's see. No, it needs a reboot. So let me know if you have any question in the comments, and I will try to answer you. This is fairly simple, and yeah, so here is our machine pinging Google. Lovely. Thank you.